everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report, a Truckerized tune-up report for David in New York on the Superstar 676. Now guys, it's basically the same thing as the Striker 447 HPC2. You do have the black smoke chrome knobs and the cool looking meter there. I didn't like the meter when I first seen it, but it's really grown on me now. But otherwise, yeah, we're looking at basic, the same kind of deal here. So we're going to start with the RF power all the way down. We're going to take these big slugs out. We just got done doing some videos on some big hammers. And there we go, 50 watt slug. See, key and 4 watts right there. Now let's roll it all the way up. 26 there. Show you average power swing. Hello. Oh, 50 watt slug is buried in the corner. Should have known that. Try it now. Hello. Audio. About 59 bird. 250 watt slug and peak. Hello. 115 PEP. This thing is rocking and rolling, David. We'll get it out to you, man. I appreciate it. From your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com.